You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And people, me know on the long for that segment here. So me I roll it back. It's the Murray Morning Show. Yes, I'm back with it again. And people who are new to the channel, I started this segment a while ago, but me kind of stop it, kind of get lazy. Me start back again. So let me tell you what it's all about. It's just a video compilation. It's like an update, but in the morning, every morning me try and release one. You see me? So you know what go on, you know what take place probably the previous day or probably all in the night too. You see me? So today we are gonna talk about AIDONIA is set to release a new song for the ladies. Spice perform over Canada, and me I tell you, you don't want to see our costume. NESBETH Walks for Cancer and more, you know what I mean? So it's your boy DJ Chaddy. Just go and take in the track here by Maestro Dan, Chaddy.
R.I.P. Javi Dog, your mobster. No from a friend, them now they are like tractor. All of you gone, rest in peace, ya gangster. And another set, they are jail, yo faster. If my head hurt me, I go tell them. Anyway, in the world, me we send them. Just give them a address and a picture, fi go quench them. Man, I feel rich, fi maintain my friend them. From you know, so you love your child.
So that's Chaddy by Maestro Dan, you know what I mean? And the song is produced by Cashflow Rings. Yo, you know, see a long time that they are doing thing. You see me? I'm a rate him. You see me? So big up yourself, Cashflow Rings. Now to the stories. So dancehall artist Spice recently performed in Canada. And me I tell her it looked like she was at a costume party or a Halloween party or me don't know. You know, say Halloween time, but kinda Jamaicans don't really do that Halloween something. Them do it, me don't know. But she perform in another suit here. People, wanna take a look.
When you come.
That's it. So people are questioning it to see if a Spice fit you. Me don't know if a Spice, but it sound like Spice voice. And the figure kinda look like Spice, but not in the costume something. So somebody comment under it and say, my father is a god, Spice is a catwoman. Hashtag, this is Jamaica. Jano. People, by now, if you don't get the part where say my father is a god, my father post and pitched off himself, portrayed that he's a god, but me do a review on it already. So just click the top right hand corner. If you want to see the review, they are wait on the end. It's supposed to be at the end or in the description. Somewhere, it'll go there somewhere. But me not telling a lie. Me don't know if me feel a performance, but tell me what you think in the comment section. So moving on. Singer NESBETH, the same youth will say,
My dream, my dream, my dream, my dream, my dream. Tell you my dream is to live my dream. Hear the most I in me sleep when me say.
Went on a cancer walk today, you see me? So the artist took it to Instagram and post this video. So the My Dream DJ posted that video along with the caption, I had to do this cancer walk today in New York. Cancer took my wife, my mom, my grandmother, my sister, my aunt. Amen. Jano Star. The cancer something serious, you know. That post got over 15,000 views and over 262 comments on Instagram. You see me? And all positive comments. You know that's a tragic thing. So all positive comments. My condolence goes out to everybody where lost a family member, lost a friend to cancer. Come here, tell us that cancer something serious. You know what I mean? We just want to play the song for every cancer people we have battle cancer in them life. All of the cancer survivor them as well. But the people them we have battle cancer.
We still stay strong. Still stay strong. Man, strip on my life, me never weak out when the rough days on. We still stay strong. Still stay strong.
swear for my life, me never weak out when the rough days on, yeah.
Dancehall artist AIDONIA is set to release a new banging song after the DJ released 2 songs back to back. Like him release 1 today and 1 tomorrow. Him still come like him dep on a roll, you know. Me don't know, him a try catch up. But him preview the song here on him IG today and ask the question when him for release, if him for release it today, which, well, it kind of confusing now because me I do the review today, but I actually yesterday. So today, uno I go see it, but yesterday him actually, you know. I'm confused. Here what? See the video here. Yeah, people, it's a girl song. And you know, say anytime I do when I go girl settings, it's official. People, a little bit more of the track.
Listen to me, love you tenderly. The moments we share are like magic. I want you so bad, I'm like, damn it.
Yeah, so I'm convinced say AIDONIA definitely want to leave the year with a bang. I feel say he might try get a hit song before the year done. Still, we have 2 months left in the year, so any card can play. So Vybz Kartel took it to Instagram to post this picture of his mom and his sisters, you know what I mean? He post this picture along with the caption, "Mommy, open up the door please now. One day we are gonna have everything we need. I swear from your heart soon." And that's a line from Vybz Kartel, its song "Open Up the Door," which was released on the album King of the Dancehall. You know the hot album there. Me I go play the song for you right now in case you don't know it.
Mommy, open up the door, please, now. Me know you are crying at the bathroom. One day we are gonna have everything we need. Swear for me heart soon. But mommy, open up the door, please, now. The loving of me heart for you can't move. One day we are gonna have everything we need. Swear for me heart soon.
So people, me I try bring something new to the show. New to the Murray Morning Show, you know what I mean? So right now, me I go show you the video of the day. And yes, as something for get to no laughing, as something for get to no morning up. You know, see me go so lively up on yourself. Just watch that video. Me say some things them a people are called dancing. I don't know what is that. Look how you could have broke the people in neck, brother. Look how you could have broke the woman daughter neck. But again, I feel our fault. Because if me ever have one little pitney, one daughter, all when she a 20-year-old, I may ever see her a dancer go on like so. Me I tell you. Anyway, tell me in the comment section what you think. And people, thanks for watching. You know, so me always I tell me subscriber them thanks for watching. Because I really love you, you know. Yeah man, I really love you. And continue to make the channel grow. Continue to tell everybody what you know. Your mother, father, auntie, brother, cousin, niece. Everybody. Before I go left you know with a little morning thought. Something I just want to pre. You see me? And the lady here, me rate her, and that's why me a post her on my channel. You see me, she ever have something positive to say. So it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and remember you can always follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And as always, thanks for watching. So tomorrow morning bright and early again. I'm out.
I want to tell the people to watch out for the friends. I must say them a long time friend. From school days. May you grow together. We eat out of one plate, friend. Watch out for some of them, because some of them are evil. And when I say some of them are evil, I mean it. Some of them coming out in life, you find out on no business. Try to be a listening ear. Try to be a shoulder that you need when you're crying. and then bring out on a business and carry a road and slaughter on and talk how things never go. You have to know these things. Some people them did it and them show on a smile. But the smile with them give on a real it fake. Because them are wishing on death. The world I get cold. The people really not care about people no more. Everybody wants to see everybody fall. People want to open their eyes and know so the fake friends them out there and them enough.